how I built multiple AI businesses that made over $3 million, and how you can start too. Hey there, if you've ever thought about starting an AI business but felt overwhelmed, I get it, because I started with zero experience myself. No degree, no investors, just me, a laptop, and a willingness to learn. Fast forward 2 years, and I've built several AI businesses that, together, brought in over $3 million in revenue. And the best part? Thousands of others in my free community are doing it too, some making anywhere from $100 to $10,000 every single month. In this blog post, I'm going to walk you through the same blueprint that helped me go from beginner to building a successful AI business, even if you're starting completely from scratch. So grab a drink, get comfy, and let's dive in. First, let's talk about why this matters. Before we jump into the how, let's look at the bigger picture. The truth is, the world is changing fast. AI is not just a buzzword, it's already replacing jobs. In 2024, nearly half of all companies replace some workers with AI. And by the mid-2030s, experts predict that up to 30% of jobs could be automated. No job is completely safe. We're talking about careers in law, accounting, even medicine, all being affected by this wave. Most people will be caught off guard. They'll struggle to keep up. Their skills will become outdated, and they'll wonder what happened. But a small group of people, the ones who take action now, will come out ahead. I want you to be in that winning group. Let's break down the blueprint. I'm going to walk you through 3 key parts. 1, the top 3 AI business opportunities you can start with right now. 2, the 3 phases every successful AI entrepreneur follows those 3. A clear 6-month roadmap to help you launch your AI business. Let's start with the most exciting part, the business opportunities. Number 1, AI influencer. Teach AI in simple terms. This is how I got started. I didn't know much about AI, but I realized one thing. Most people are confused by it. They want simple, easy to understand content. So I started creating content on YouTube and Twitter. I explained new AI tools in a way regular people could understand. I didn't need to be a genius. I just needed to know a little more than the average person. Over time, people started listening. Within 6 months of posting consistently, my YouTube channel hit 100,000 subscribers. I made money from ad revenue from YouTube videos.
2025 is here, and if you want to take your career and your life to the next level, you have to be using AI tools.
Affiliate marketing, recommending AI tools, sponsorships from brands. If you can stick with it for 3 to 6 months, you can earn between $1,000 and $50,000 per month, even with a small audience. Pros: low startup cost, just a phone and a laptop. Fast growth if you talk about trending AI topics. Great for beginners. Cons: takes time and consistency. Getting on camera can feel awkward at first. It won't make you millions, but it's a great start. Number 2, AI automation agency. Help businesses use AI. This one's a bit more advanced, but it's where the real money comes in. Think of it like a digital agency, but instead of building websites, you help businesses use AI tools to save time and make more money. The cool part? You don't need to be a developer or know how to code. I use low-code and no-code tools to create AI systems for businesses. Drag, drop, done. My business partner and I started this in May 2023, and within a few months, we were making over $100,000 per month. One of our projects alone brought in over $115,000. Pros: huge demand. Businesses are hungry for AI solutions. Low startup cost. No need to build a product first. Scalable. Start small, grow big. Cons: slightly harder to learn than being an influencer. You'll need to work hard up front to build skills and get clients. But once you get the hang of it, this model can absolutely change your life. Number 3, AI education. Teach others what you know. Once you've learned something useful, especially by working with real businesses, you can teach others. This is the AI education model. You can create online courses, ebooks, webinars, workshops. For example, you could teach real estate agents how to use AI to find clients, or help parents understand how their kids can use AI for school. The key here is that you actually need to know your stuff. That's why many people, including me, start with the automation agency first. It gives you real experience you can teach later. Pros: high profit margins. Once the course is made, it's cheap to sell. Feels amazing to help others. Cons: you need to become an expert, no faking it. Takes time to create high-quality education content. You actually learn how to set up AI tools for businesses, how to automate their tasks, and how to build systems that save time and money. These are the exact skills that businesses are willing to pay top dollar for. My own success at Morningside AI and what I've seen from others in the community is proof of that. Once businesses see the value of what you can offer, they keep coming back. As the tech keeps evolving, they need people who can keep up. And that's where you come in. The AI automation skill set you pick up from running a AAA isn't just valuable today. It's what will make your future bulletproof, no matter what happens in the economy or to your current business. There's always going to be demand for people who know how to use AI to create real value. Secondly, you're going to make way more money. While consulting might bring in a few thousand per month and influencing might give you some ad revenue or sponsorships, both are still very limited. But with an AI automation agency, you're landing bigger contracts, thousands, tens of thousands, and sometimes even hundreds of thousands of dollars per project. That's exactly how my agency, Morningside AI, hit over $100,000 per month by stacking up projects and building strong, long-term relationships with clients. So yeah, the earning potential of the AAA model is way higher than other models, and at the same time, it's still accessible for beginners to start. Third, AAA is your gateway to bigger opportunities in the AI space. If you ever want to create a course, launch a product, or even build your own AI software, then running a successful AAA gives you the real-world experience and results you need to do it. The AAA model is one of the only paths that naturally opens these doors to AI education, AI tools, and beyond. And the best part? We're still early. Most businesses still have no idea what AI can do for them. To them, it's just some tech buzzword they might have to deal with later. But that's where you come in. Right now, there's a huge opportunity to position yourself as the go-to AI automation expert in your niche before everyone catches on. It's like being one of the first digital marketers back when websites were just becoming a thing. The early adopters made a fortune. The ones who came late, well, they got the crumbs. So if you want to start strong, learn the most valuable skills in AI, and have the most options for your future, the AAA model is by far the best way to go. And from what I've seen in my community and in my own journey, it's not the easiest model, but it's the best balance between beginner-friendly and high reward in the long run. So now that you know where you're headed, let's talk about how to get there. We're about to break down the exact steps to find your first client, deliver your first project, and scale it into a full-blown agency. Let's dive into the 3 key phases of starting your AI business. Now that you understand the AI business landscape and why the AI automation agency model is the best place to start as a beginner, let's look at how to bring it to life. There are 3 key phases. 1, learn. 2, apply. 3, monetize. These are designed to take you from knowing nothing about AI automation to running a profitable agency with a clear roadmap the entire way. In each phase, you'll build skills, gain real-world experience, and start earning money. I've already mapped out every step for you in the next section, which is the 6-month profit path. To start your AI automation agency, you'll need to learn some basic skills. But don't worry, coding is not mandatory. Sure, it can help, but thanks to all the amazing no-code tools available now, anyone can learn how to build valuable AI solutions for businesses. Over the past 2 years, I've taught a lot of beginners exactly these skills because I had to learn them from scratch myself. And I've put it all into a free course that I'll give you access to at the end of this video. So don't stress about learning. I've got you covered with everything in the 6-month roadmap. Have final thoughts. Is it worth it? Let's be real. This isn't going to be easy. It will take longer and be harder than you expect. But it's absolutely worth it. You have a choice right now. You can either wait and watch as AI takes over more jobs, or you can start learning, building, and taking control of your future.